Shovel. This shovel is very strong. Spade. I dig with a spade. Garden fork. The garden fork has 4 tines. Rake. Use the rake to gather leaves. Leaf rake. A leaf rake is light and wide. Hoe. The hoe removes weeds easily. Dutch hoe. Push the Dutch hoe forward. Trowel. I need a trowel for planting. Hand fork. The hand fork loosens soil. Hand cultivator, claw. Twist the claw to break soil. Dibber, dibble. Make a hole with the dibber. Bulb planter. This bulb planter cuts a clean hole. Weeder, weed puller. Pull the weed with the weeder. Hory-hory, garden knife. My hory-hory has a sharp edge. Pruning shears or secateurs. Pruning shears are good for roses. Loppers. He cuts thick branches with loppers. Hedge shears. Hedge shears trim the bush quickly. Pruning saw. Can I use your pruning saw? Bow saw. The bow saw is for cutting wood. Pole pruner. Reach high branches with the pole pruner. Grass shears. Grass shears are quiet and light. Lawn edger. A lawn edger makes neat edges. Lawn aerator. An aerator lets air into the lawn. Lawn scarifier or dethatcher. The scarifier removes dead grass. Wheelbarrow. Fill the wheelbarrow with soil. Garden cart. The garden cart carries heavy pots. Watering can. This watering can holds 5 liters. Garden hose. Unroll the garden hose slowly. Hose nozzle. Adjust the hose nozzle to jet. Sprinkler. The sprinkler waters the lawn evenly. Pump sprayer. Pump the sprayer to build pressure. Backpack sprayer. He wears a backpack sprayer. Watering wand. The watering wand reaches hanging pots. Drip irrigation kit. Install the drip irrigation kit. Soaker hose. The soaker hose slowly drips water. Rain gauge. Read the rain gauge after a storm. Soil moisture meter. Check moisture with the meter. Soil pH meter. The pH meter shows acidic soil. Soil thermometer. The soil thermometer reads 15 degrees. Compost bin. Put vegetable peels in the compost bin. Compost tumbler. Turn the compost tumbler every day. Garden sieve or riddle. Shake the garden sieve to sift soil. Soil sifter. A soil sifter removes stones. Garden bench. Work at the garden bench. Garden apron. My garden apron has big pockets. Garden gloves. Wear garden gloves to protect hands. Knee pads. Knee pads make kneeling comfortable. Garden kneeler or seat. Flip the kneeler into a seat. Sun hat. A sun hat keeps your face cool. Garden roller. Push the garden roller over the lawn. Thank you for watching.